Pakistan's deployment of the Z-10ME attack helicopter marks a significant shift in its tactical aviation strategy and broader defense modernization policy. This platform, developed by China's Aviation Industry Corporation (AVIC) and manufactured by Chang Aircraft Industries Corporation (CAIC), is a customized export variant of the Z-10, tailored specifically for operational needs in rugged, high-altitude, and high-temperature environments. Its induction into the Pakistan Army Aviation Corps in mid-2025 reflects a culmination of more than a decade of evaluation, phased procurement planning, and increasing defense technical cooperation with China. The Z-10ME's induction is strategically motivated by Pakistan's need to replace aging legacy attack helicopters, improve rotary wing firepower, and ensure reliable access to spare parts, maintenance support, and future upgrades. The procurement was pursued following multiple complications in acquiring other platforms due to export license restrictions, parts supply bottlenecks, and political conditions. Unlike past efforts hampered by geopolitical limitations, the Z-10ME acquisition proceeded through a bilateral understanding that prioritized timely delivery and operational customization. The Z-10ME is designed as a frontline attack helicopter capable of conducting deep strike missions, close air support (CAS) reconnaissance, convoy protection, and anti-armor operations. It is equipped with a tandem two-seat cockpit with full dual controls, allowing the pilot and weapons systems officer (WSO) to operate in an integrated and redundant configuration. The cockpit uses a digital glass interface with multifunctional displays (MFDs), night vision compatible lighting, and digital map overlays. A helmet-mounted sight system enables the crew to designate and engage targets with minimal delay, enhancing responsiveness in dynamic combat scenarios. Powering the Z-10ME are two upgraded WZ-9C turboshaft engines that provide improved thrust output and altitude performance. These engines enable the helicopter to operate at altitudes where earlier generation platforms experienced degraded performance due to thin air and high temperatures. This is a crucial advantage given the geographic diversity of Pakistan's western, northern, and interior regions, where air support must be reliable across deserts, plains, and mountainous areas. The airframe features modular armor protection around critical sections, including the cockpit and engine bays. A distinctive element of the ME variant is its revised exhaust configuration, which helps reduce its infrared signature, thereby increasing survivability against heat-seeking threats. In addition to physical protection, the Z-10ME is fitted with a comprehensive electronic warfare suite that includes a radar warning receiver (RWR), missile approach warning system (MAS), laser warning receiver (LWR), and directional infrared countermeasures (DIRCM). These systems detect and counter radar-guided, laser-guided, and infrared-guided missiles, giving the crew a multi-layered defense posture. The Z-10ME supports a diverse range of precision-guided munitions. Its weapon loadout includes anti-tank guided missiles (ATGMs) with tandem charge warheads capable of penetrating reactive armor, short-range air-to-air missiles (AAMs) for limited aerial self-defense, and various types of guided and unguided rockets. The helicopter is also equipped with a chin-mounted 23mm autocannon that is slaved to the targeting system, enabling it to engage soft and semi-armored ground targets with a high degree of accuracy. The four stub-wing hardpoints allow for customized mission configurations based on target type and operational environment. Pakistan's initial batch is believed to consist of 4 to 8 units, forming the foundation of a broader plan to induct between 40 and 60 helicopters over the next 2 to 3 years. These aircraft are expected to be distributed across key Army Aviation Corps formations, with particular focus on regions where close air support and mobile firepower are essential. The selection of deployment zones will likely correspond with areas where rapid air-ground coordination, terrain familiarity, and responsive strike capability are required to support Army maneuver formations. The induction of the Z-10ME is not only a tactical development but also a logistical and doctrinal milestone. Ground infrastructure is being adapted to accommodate new training simulators, spares inventories, ground support equipment (GSE), and maintenance protocols tailored to the airframe's systems. Pilot training programs are being updated to include conversion courses and mission-specific modules for the Z-10ME, while maintenance personnel are undergoing technical education to support on-site diagnostics, repairs, and preventive servicing. Operational integration is being managed in phases to ensure seamless interoperability with existing command and control systems. The helicopter's data-sharing capabilities allow it to link with ground-based forward observers, unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs), and surveillance platforms in real time, forming a more cohesive battlefield picture. Future upgrades may further expand the helicopter's capabilities to include manned-unmanned teaming (MUMT), allowing for cooperative missions with drones, loitering munitions, or sensor relay assets. The broader defense planning behind the Z-10ME's induction emphasizes survivability, precision, and autonomy. As modern battlefields become increasingly digitized and fast-paced, helicopters like the Z-10ME are viewed as force multipliers capable of supporting distributed and network-enabled operations. With its combination of mobility, lethality, and defensive systems, the platform enables small units to conduct asymmetric attacks and respond quickly to shifting tactical demands. From a strategic standpoint, the deployment of the Z-10ME is being interpreted as a response to regional dynamics where conventional forces are being rapidly modernized and airpower is gaining increased importance in shaping ground outcomes. The new helicopters allow Pakistan to extend its operational reach, respond faster to evolving threats, and support joint force maneuver operations with minimal delay. Although the Pakistan Army has not issued a formal press release confirming the delivery and deployment, defense analysts, open-source intelligence trackers, and military aviation experts widely agree that the helicopters are now in active service. Independent reporting over the past several weeks has converged on the assessment that the Z-10ME is no longer in trial or evaluation stages but has entered the operational force structure. Future phases of induction will likely focus on expanding unit sizes, integrating more advanced mission systems, and increasing crew proficiency through high-tempo exercises and field deployments. The platform's long-term effectiveness will depend on sustained logistical support, availability of spare parts, and adaptability to emerging threat environments. Continuous feedback from operational units will inform future upgrades, including software enhancements, improved sensor fusion, and expanded compatibility with guided weapon systems. The induction of the Z-10ME represents a transformative addition to Pakistan's military aviation landscape. It addresses capability gaps in close air support, anti-armor warfare, and rapid battlefield response. The platform's features, combined with its operational flexibility and strategic timing, signal a decisive move toward developing a more modern, self-reliant, and agile aviation force capable of responding to present and future battlefield challenges.